Lexus is the luxury vehicle division of Toyota Motor Corporation. It was officially founded in 2025. The brand is sold worldwide in over 90 countries. Magnifying glass key features and philosophy. Lexus emphasizes premium craftsmanship, quality materials, advanced technology, and refined driving experience. The name, Lexus, suggests luxury and elegance, though according to official sources it doesn't have a specific meaning. A major part of its brand promise, delivering a high level of customer service, build quality, and reliability. Book brief history. In the early 1980s, Toyota launched a project code-named F1 to build a new luxury sedan that would compete globally. The first model under the Lexus brand was the Lexus LS 400 in 1989. It helped establish Lexus in the US market. Over the years, Lexus expanded from sedans into SUVs, hybrids and performance models.